Hello students, you are again welcome to Excel Commerce, and today we are going to discuss a very important topic, motivation. In fact, motivation is an element of directing which is one of the important function of management. There are four elements in directing. Number one is supervision, the second one is motivation, third one is leadership, and the last one is communication. So today we are going to discuss about motivation. Now you should understand what is the meaning of motivation, from where the concept of motivation has come. What is the need of motivation, and what miracle can do this motivation. We are going to study all about motivation. Now, before we go into detail about motivation, we should know the history of management. In fact, when industrialization was going on in Europe and in America, what happened that people invested a lot of money into the development of industries, and they wanted good results to come out from the industry. It means they wanted maximum output, but that output was not coming according to their desire. So this was the big issue in front of them. Now this issue was handed over to some of the researchers who belong to universities like Ohio and Michigan. Then they studied about the human behavior inside the university. And ultimately, they come to the conclusion to flourish an industry, or the success of an industry depends upon a very important element. That element is human being, or you can say human beings are the biggest assets of the organization, and they are responsible for success and failure of the organization. So what they found out? They found out that even if the salaries or the compensations given to the employees, they do not work in a desired manner. They wanted that work should be done in a desired manner. But even after giving all the compensation, the desired results were not coming. Why? Because even after getting all those compensation, employees, they did not work as per the expectations. So they found out ways and means that how desired results can be given by the employees of the organization. Then actually this concept of motivation came from there. Motivation is a force which encourages a person or an individual to work in a desired manner willingly. I want to quote one example so that you can understand what does it mean. Suppose in your family there is a person whom you love too much and he has fallen sick, and he needs to be hospitalized. Now what happens? Nobody is putting any pressure on you that you take him to the hospital. But it comes from your within that I should take him to the hospital. So this task is done willingly. Similarly, motivation means a force which encourages you to work in a desired manner willingly. So the researcher, they said that if we can motivate people, then the employee will work in a desired manner willingly. It is important that work should be done in a desired manner willingly. So motivation encourages employees or individuals to work in a desired manner willingly. So from there, this word motivation has come. Now again, if you go a little further, then how can we motivate individual in the organization? There are various ways and means by which we can motivate an individual. By and large, it is divided into two parts. One is by giving them financial incentives, and second, by providing them non-financial incentives. Now, what is the meaning of financial incentives and non-financial incentives? Now, financial incentive means what? When you pay something extra to the employees, then they become happy and they are encouraged to work more and more, that too willingly. Say for example, a person is getting rupees 10,000 as his salary and he is supposed to produce 10 units in a day. Now many a times it happens that he produces 8 units, sometimes he produces 7 units, sometimes he produces 11 units, like that. And he takes it granted that his salary is reserved for him or for her. But he is not worried about the goal of the organization, what the organization has to achieve. Now, this motivation plays a very important role here. What role motivation plays? That we offer them certain incentives. Say for example, that if you are producing more than 10 units in a day, say for example, you are producing 15 units in a day, then apart from your salary, what you are getting in a month, for 5 units, you will be getting extra money. So that is known as financial incentive. So financial incentive, if we give financial incentive, we can motivate the employee. But what happens? Many a times it happens that even if we provide them or give them financial incentives, then we cannot motivate the employees. At that time, we have to go for non-financial incentive. Non-financial incentive like promotion, good working condition, increase in status, etc. Because some of the people, some of the employees, they are more interested for promotion rather than any financial incentives, because it is their requirement, it is their need in their life. They want to come up in life. That is why they need promotion. So if we give them financial incentive, that cannot satisfy them. But if we give them promotion, if we improve their working conditions, if we can improve the relations in between the organization, that is the environment, if we can increase the environment inside the organization, it means the relationship in between manager or superior and subordinate, in between the employee and employer, among the peers, then this can give happiness. This can encourage the employee to work in a desired manner. So by and large, there are two ways. One is by giving financial incentive, and other by providing them non-financial incentives like promotion, good working conditions, increase in their status, etc. We can motivate them. So we can sum up that motivation is a process by which we encourage the individual or the employee of the organization to work in a desired manner, that too willingly. Moreover, there are two types of financial incentives by which we can motivate them. One is financial incentive and other is non-financial incentive. In your next class, we'll discuss about all the features of motivation.